Here we have a 1.4 Polo with a misfire with engine management light on. Now we plug the scanner into the car. I'll quickly show you that. And you can see the check light flashing away. As you can see, we've got a misfire on number 4 from the OEM side. P0304. Lift this off. Move it aside. These are your coil packs, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just going to show you how to test that one where it's in situ. You can hear the misfire from number 4. We're going to use as an inductive pickup one of these things and the snap-on Varus. Just unscrew the end off of this. It's meant for a hooking onto a HT lead like so. Just unscrew that end. Use this on the coil. What we're going to do, place it on the coil like so. Good coil and the bad coil. And then if we touch that, see the pattern of the good one, and move it to the bad one. We've lost the tail end of the pattern. It's a bad coil, it's a good coil. There we go. Good coil, bad coil. Good coil. Here's a good coil. Here's the bad one. Just going to take that coil out. It's plugged in from underneath. You can see the plugs underneath. This is what they look like. Pop another one in. Same reading as the coil on plug. That just reading them. If we use this, we still get the same reading. We just touch that on the end and plug it into the back. Thank you. There we have 2 good coils. What we do now is pause that. And zoom out. And you can see a good selection of the coils, nice and even all the way through.